What's up, everybody? People will breeze over this video, but this is actually a pretty important one. Market up or down, the market was up today. Big picture, we're still sideways. We're losing some momentum, but still very much a sideways deal. And I want to talk a little bit about PDT real quick. You know, a lot of people, when they get started, they don't have an account over $25,000, and they think that the PDT is holding them back. But the strategy I use, time becomes your friend. As you can see here, the ones we don't have sellers in actually filled. So look at these huge profits. This is almost 3%. This is really huge. This is almost 3%. So instead of 1%, you know, we're going to make way more money. And there's a saying in the stock market that patience pays, and it does. So I'm going to pull up the mobile phone. We'll get into Excel. I know it's kind of boring, but that is what it takes to excel. Um, the public account here is all-time highs, and stay tuned till the end because we have a special thing at the end here. So 284.03 check, Jeff 44.67 check, SLM 1919 check, ADT 2055, Whirlpool 6035 check. Penny Mac 89.76 check. APO 107.08 check. And we did sell Fox today. So always good to sell stock on a market up day, and lets us know that we're in flow with the stock market. And it's kind of a reassurance that things are going according to plan. And we are, I guess technically we're here. I have a little awkward setup here, but still making the video. Hope you guys appreciate it. If you do, hit the thumbs up for me, would you? I'd appreciate that. All right, so we have 1969. My eyes fail me today. All right, our goal is going to be $26, $27, 1% of the account to beat the benchmark. But you can see for the year, we're just totally destroying it. Hopefully, statements come out this weekend. We'll do that. But we have two things left to do. Number one is to put sellers in for all of these so that we can collect our money. And then we need to push money, as I'll show you here, into the investing account. So I've got that pulled up over here to the side. So I'll go through this quickly, but as you know, my formula is to take an average and divide, and then here's a good one, $20.55, but there's 3 shares, so divide by 3 times 1.01. Very simple. And I'm going to do that. Pause the video. You can do it for practice with all of these if you want. You should have your own list, but if you don't, it costs nothing to learn, but time and effort. You got to show up. Limit order always, good till cancel always. Okay. So after that being said, I am going to go as fast as this computer will allow me to go. I'm just going to keep doing the same old song and dance, my friends. You have to enter the correct prices or else your broker will do you a service and allow you to lose money by giving you the best, quickest, or not the best fill, but the quickest fill. So just be careful. This is easy stuff, but take your time with it. And just for a big picture, in my main account, I sold a lot of these same stocks for less money because I don't have PDT in my main account. I have money in there, and even though I've get more frequency of trades and all that, And again, this is trading higher, but I still put the right number in. If it rejects the order, then we'll go to market. But always a limit order, but the market price. Sometimes it rejects these. But even though I can do more frequency of trades, sometimes the slower method gets more profits per trade, right? And it's not about getting the most trades in. Nobody cares. It's about making the most money. So I like this little account. You know, I'm thankful I started this to try to show folks because I've learned a lot along the way as well. And I'm just going to keep ripping these. Again, remember, this isn't financial advice. This is just me showing my journey. But with this account with no deposit now is creating all this money that you will see in just a second. Provides cash into another account of investments that also has no deposit other than trading profits from this account, and it creates true passive income. But if you trade real money in the markets, be careful. You can't follow me, but just know that real people are out here doing it, and you can too. But you can lose money. But I don't. That's why the name of the channel is what it is. I don't believe in losing money. When I started, I didn't have any money to lose. So, all right, look at the spread on this guy. Jeez. All right, last one. Then we'll go check out the investing account real quick. We don't look at it very often. We will look at it again here this weekend, hopefully. If statements are out, I believe they should be. It usually takes about 4 or 5 business days for the smaller accounts. The larger accounts seem to take a little longer for whatever reason. But we've got that. So as we go to the spreadsheet here, I believe that needs to say 470, and we're putting another tenner into investing. But you can see with another $9.22, it'll be even another 10. So it's really going quite well. And I'll pull that up. Well, let's take a look at it real quick.